will be solving a simple word problem involving fractions with mixed operations. The problem goes like this. Kelly spent 1/4 of his salary, saved 5/12 of it, and gave the rest equally among his siblings. Each sibling received 1/6 of his salary. How many siblings does he have? Let's analyze the given problem carefully. The question asked is, how many siblings does Kelly have? How do you think we should go about this problem? Do you have a solution in mind? There are different ways to find out how many siblings Kelly has. One method is to put together his expenses and savings to be subtracted from his salary and divide the rest by 1/6 to come up with the number of siblings. Or we could minus his expenses and savings one at a time. So here is what we're going to do. From Kelly's one whole salary, we must subtract his expenses. Apparently, he spent 1/4. One whole can be expressed as 4/4, which has the same value as 1, so that it would be a lot easier to subtract. From the remaining amount, we need to subtract the amount he saved for himself. He saved 5/12. The remaining amount will be divided equally among his siblings, where each one received 1/6 of his salary. From here, we can tell how many siblings Kelly has. Let n be the number of siblings. Let's simplify this equation. We will start with solving the numbers in the parentheses. 4/4 minus 1/4. We got 3/4 left, and from this amount subtract 5/12 for his savings divided by 1/6. And all this would be equal to the number of siblings. As you can see in the parentheses, we have unlike fractions, which we need to find a common denominator. We can keep 12 as the denominator. It means we have to multiply 4 by 3 to make it 12, and do the same with 3. So instead of using 3/4, we will be using its equivalent, which is 9/12 divided by 1/6. And this will give us the number of siblings. So 9/12 minus 5/12, we get 4/12. We must remember when dividing fractions, we should change division to multiplication and take the reciprocal of the divisor. In this case, 1/6 will become 6/1. We can reduce 6 and 12 to come up with a much smaller number, which is 1 and 2. So we can identify the number of siblings. We know that any number multiplied by 1 will give us the same number. So basically, what remains is just 4/2, or 4 divided by 2. Therefore, the value of n is just 2. And to answer the question as to how many siblings does Kelly have, the answer is 2 siblings. There you have it. So what do you think about this lesson? Well, thank you for making it this far.